Why you're not rich yet. The 7 money myths that are keeping you broke. If you're working hard and still broke, you're not the problem. The system is. We've been lied to about money, taught the wrong rules, fed the wrong belief. Go to college, get a job, save $50 a month, and magically retire rich, right? Yeah, how's that working out for people? In the next few minutes, I'll expose 7 money myths that are secretly keeping you broke. And if you believe even one of them, your chances of getting rich drop by 90%. Myth number 1. You need to work hard to get rich. Hard work is noble, but it doesn't guarantee wealth. Some of the hardest working people in the world are also the poorest. Why? Because they're trading time for money. If hard work made you rich, construction workers would be millionaire. Wealth comes from leveraged assets, systems, investments, not sweat alone. Myth number 2. A high salary means you're winning 6 figures. Doesn't mean financial freedom if you're spending 6 figures. The real flex isn't income. It's how long you can survive without one. If your paycheck stopped today, how long would your lifestyle survive? Wealth is about control, not numbers. Myth number 3. Budgeting is enough to build wealth. Budgeting saves money, but it doesn't grow it. Cutting Netflix and skipping coffee won't make you rich. Investing will. You need to focus on expanding your income, not just restricting expenses. No one ever budgeted their way to $1 million. Myth number 4. Debt is always bad. You've been told to fear debt, but the wealthy use it as a weapon. Bad debt buys liabilities. Good debt buys assets that pay you. Credit cards don't ruin lives. Misusing them to learn how to borrow smart and let debt build wealth for you. Myth number 5. You need to be lucky or inherit money. No. What you need is information, execution, and time. The internet has leveled the playing field. Knowledge is free. Skills are cheap. Opportunities are everywhere. The rich aren't lucky. They're intentional. Myth number 6. You're too young to start at 80. You're told you don't know enough. At 30, you're told it's too late. So, ... When exactly is the right time? Spoiler, it's now. Time is your most powerful asset. The earlier you start, the less you need to save or... Myth number 7. Money is the root of all evil. No. Lack of money causes more pain than money ever will. Money is a tool. It amplifies who you already are. If you're generous, it makes you more generous. If you're selfish, it makes that louder too. Money doesn't change you. It reveals you. You were raised on myth. Lies that keep you small, safe, and stuck. But now you know better. And knowing is power. You are. Because once you stop believing the lie, you'll start building the life they said you couldn't have. The question is, what will you do with the truth? Ready to take your next step? Click this video right here. The power of compounding. How $1 turns into $1 million. That's not a myth. It's my gifts. Watch it now. Your wealthy future is waiting.